So for the next exercise, you would take a page of your sketchbook and divide it into 4 sections, and we would copy out the shapes that I'll have in the PowerPoint. I'm going to just demonstrate this on a little version just so it doesn't take 20 minutes. So here's our triangle with a circular bottom. Then we have a cylinder, circular top, circular bottom, circle here, a circle, and our square. I think we all know how to do that square that they taught us, where it's like, just like that. Okay, so to make this look more 3D, I'm just gonna start by shading in the side, almost like the light is hitting it from here. I start with a dark line to the left and slowly kind of shade it out, the same way that we did in the value scale. And then to cast a shadow, I would do it dark, just more to the left side, don't really complete it. And then have the darkness gradually fade to a light and blend it the same way as the value scale too. Same thing with the cylinder. I'm just gonna darken one side and then slowly bring it out, leaving some white and leaving some white. That'll give it some life. I'll add a little bit of tone here. And then the same thing, I'm gonna cast that shadow, darken that at the bottom, and then slowly just gonna bring that out. And it mirrors the shape. So this is cylinder shadow, triangle shadow. The circle, I'm gonna bend. So I'm gonna start dark here and then slowly go to light. And that light will sort of wrap around. And you'll see this in the worksheet. So it's pretty easy to mimic. And then doing that bottom. Same thing, dark. And just maybe draw out where you want that outline to go. And then build it off into there. And again, you can see that my pencil is always going in circles. I just find that circle shading, it creates more smoothness. You don't really see as much texture when you go with the circle. And you'll build up speed as you go. And then with the square, we'll sort of just give each side its own value scale, like a shade. So gray there, maybe a little bit darker there, and light on top. And then a little bit of a curveball here. The light will go from this way. So it's just going to cast a shadow here. And that shadow is in the shape of a square. So there you go. And this can help you for your storm exercises. Let's say you're drawing a storm scene, some day at the beach. There's your ground. There's the background. Maybe some twisters are coming for us. Another twister. And then let's say you just want to do like a tree. So same thing, I would draw out the outline of the tree, the way we drew the shapes. And then I'd maybe pick a part where I wanted to pretend the light's coming from here. So darken some areas and then gradually go out. Leaving a little bit of white and dark, and then you can gradually build out a shadow too.